Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I mentioned in my previous video that we had a shipment of Fatip razors that came from Italy. And so now we have, I think, every Fatip razor there is. There's about 43 of them. I think we have all of them. I thought I'd do a video on another one of them. This one was pretty cool looking. When I opened it up, I was like, whoa, that looks pretty sharp. This one is called the Special Edition Fatip Piccolo razor. And I didn't even know it, but here's the box it comes in. Take a peek. I'll open that up, and that's what it looks like on the inside. I'll remove it. And I didn't even know, once I opened it, until I read the description, that there's something else in the box here, underneath here. So I opened this up, and there it is. There's a, if you can see it, there's another head floating around in there. So let me take that out. Set this off to the side. So here we go. What it is, it's a three-piece razor. It's called the Piccolo Special Edition, being that it has two heads, the open comb and the closed comb. So they're just interchangeable. You can see that the open comb is gold and the closed comb is gold as well. A gleaming polished gunmetal handle, and the top cap is gunmetal as well. And then you load it up with whichever you prefer, the open or the closed comb, and you can fine-tune your shave that way. The open comb will be more aggressive, the closed comb will be less aggressive. So I will perform a shave with this razor today, and I got a message from Berserk2112. Mr. Berserk said, "Hey Geo, have you ever given the Bic blades a try? I find them just as good as feathers for my beard and cheaper to boot. I've got very thick and coarse hair. Barbadure all the way." I have pretty thick hair right now, coarse hair, so let's go with the Bic blade. We'll give it a try. Right here, here's the paper wrapper for it. It says Bic Chrome Platinum, and since the razor is made in Italy, why not use the Bic blade, because it's made in Greece, so they're not too far apart. Let's put the blade right over the two pins on the post, like so, and then drop in the open comb safety bar and tighten it down. It's got a little squeak to it. That's okay. Making itself known. Check that reveal. That reveal is perfect on both sides. Just right, just even on both sides. It locks down very tight. There is almost zero, very, very super slight overhang on the blade. I mean, maybe less than a millimeter protruding on the side. So I think it's it's a nice contrast between the gunmetal and the gold, as you can see. Very nice looking razor. Check it out. Let me give you the specs on this razor. This razor weighs in at 2.6 ounces or 73 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 3.1 inches or 79 millimeters. Not a super big razor, but it does feel comfortable in the hand. It's all polished, gunmetal, polished gold, and then a smooth band of gunmetal up at the top, a small ring right here, and then vertical lines running down the handle, and then another small ring down at the bottom, polished ring. On the very bottom, it's just solid polished gunmetal finish. They do say that the handle of this razor is designed after Greek columns, and my question is, which one? Doric, Ionic, or Corinthian? You tell me. That'll be your quiz for the day. What do you think it looks like most? Which one of those three? Comment down below, let me know. And on the underside, it does say Fatip, right here, on the underside of the comb, the open comb. And, let's see, also on the closed comb, says Fatip on there as well. So I'll set the closed comb off to the side. I'll perform a shave with this razor, loaded with the Bic blade. I'll read you what they say about this. The Special Edition Fatip Piccolo Safety Razor is an elegant shaving tool that you'll treasure for years to come. It includes two base plates, open and closed. The top cap and handle are a dark gunmetal type finish. The open and closed plates are a polished gold color, giving the razor a unique contrasting look. Features: three-piece model, aggressive or mild shave, includes one open comb base plate and one closed comb base plate. Durable and comfortable to hold. Handle designed after Greek columns. Smaller version of the classic model. Materials: brass base, black and gold metallic finish. Approximate dimensions: total length 3.1 inches or 79 millimeters. Handle length 2.8 inches or 71 millimeters. The head width is 1.65 inches, 42 millimeters. The weight 2.6 ounces, 73 grams. About Fatip. Since 1950, Fatip has been producing quality double-edged razors with distinctive designs. Handmade in Italy by expert craftsmen, Fatip's razors feature open and closed comb heads, well-balanced handles, and polished metals in a variety of hues. With their classic vintage styling and high-performance design, Fatip's razors offer a refined, precise shaving experience. Made in Italy. This razor is Shave Nation item number SN764. All right, the shaving cream I'm going to use today is Sterling Shaving Soap Company, the Margaritas in the Attic. Should be a nice, cool shaving cream, and I'll lather it up in the Shave Nation bowl right here. The Shave Nation Patriot Fine Badger shaving brush. I'll take my marble cup, fill it with hot water. Here's the brush. That's what it looks like when it's dry. I'm going to drop it down in the water. By the way, this brush comes in about 7 or 8 different handle colors, and the handles are now being made longer, so even better. But this is mine I've been using for a while. I like this brush. That's what it looks like when it's saturated. I'll let that soak. Meanwhile, I will take my Shave Nation bowl, warm it up under the hot water. Because it's ceramic, it will retain some heat as well. Pop the cap on the Margaritas in the Attic. Cool name for a shaving soap. Got my little shaving cream spoon right here. Just going to scoop out a bit, like so. Just like a thumbnail sliver. It's pretty thin. Drop it right down into the bowl. And see if that'll be enough to mix a lather right there. Let's remove the brush from the water. Give it a couple shakes. We'll go right in here. See if we can mix a lather. Just press the tips of that brush right down into that shaving soap and start swirling around. A little bit sudsy at first. Just keep swirling, depressing the tips of the brush down into that lather spot down at the bottom. And before you know it, that smells nice. That lather's coming up right around the edges. The more you press, the more friction, the more lather. Get it spilling around the sides. And it does start out a little bit sudsy, but you just keep on swirling. Gets a little bit thicker. Before you know it, the bowl is filled. Plenty of shaving cream here for several passes. Lots of lather. Let me set that down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Dry off the fingers. All right, let's lather up. Grab our brush and our bowl. Copious amounts of lather. Start on the right side here. Work our way across. No problem mixing the lather. It smells great. It's got a bit of a lime citrusy scent to it. Oh, it's cold. This is one of those icy shaving creams. As you apply, it gets colder. Little figure eight, smooth everything out. Let's clear the runway so we can see the sideburns. Dry off the fingers. Here's the razor, the special edition Fatip Piccolo with the open and closed comb head. Gold and gunmetal. Very handsome looking. And my face is chilling right now. So I'm just going to go with the cold water on the razor. Cold steel on face. Here we go. Right side, find your angle. Work your way down. No problem removing the beard growth. Not as aggressive as the previous razor, the Fatip open comb slant bar, but still quite aggressive. It's filled up. Let's rinse that. Lots of stubble on the razor. Cold water rinse. Right down the neckline. Other side. Find your angle. Work your way down. Better rinse that. It's about ready to fall. Got some audible feedback. Sounds good. Flip it over. All right, let's rinse that. Mustache, scoop right under the nose. Gets right under there. Nice curve to the head. Okay, very good. First pass complete. Let's rinse it. Warm water rinse on the face. Let me feel around a little bit. See what it feels like. Pretty darn smooth. So after your first pass, you can see I'm pretty smooth. You can stop right now if you're close enough, but I'm going to do one more pass and get super close. Still lots of lather. Smells really good. Just a light coating of shaving cream this time. Now it really feels cold with no beardage on the face and the ingredients that give you a chill. Clear the runways one more time. Cold water on the razor. First pass was with the grain north to south. Now we'll go across. Very smooth. I feel that when you cold water rinse, the shaving cream doesn't stick to the razor as much. It comes flying off. It sticks more with the hot water rinse. Rinse that. Against the grain on the neck. Very smooth shaving razor. Rinse that. Across the mustache. Under the nose. Just a quick against the grain. Watch this. Just a little skim. Skim the skin. There's shaving cream still there. That gets you baby smooth. Even without relathering, there's enough cream there. That residual cream. You don't want to scrape the skin like this. You just want to find that where it just catches. That's where you want to be. And that will get you super baby smooth. Perfect. Very good. Final rinse. Whoa, baby. Ooh, that shaving cream. Margarita's in the attic with a cold water rinse after. Very refreshing. With the face stamp, we'll just take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap, glide that all around all the areas you've shaved. Give you a little feedback on your shave. If you get any stinging, you went a little bit deep, maybe over the same area too many times. But we got a great shave, no stinging. This will seal off your skin, tighten the pores. If you got any small nicks or weepers, it'll seal them off as well. So let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Face is still cold. That shaving cream, whew, it's chilling. Okay, let's try some of this Clubman Brandy Spice. Crack the cap on that. This is just a splash on. Rub that together. Wow, also cold and refreshing. Very nice. Excellent finish to the shave. Let's take a final look at the razor. The Fatip Special Edition Piccolo Safety Razor with the open and closed comb head. Very nice shaving razor. As you can see, I started off with heavy beard growth. 2.5 passes with across and against the grain on the cheeks. I got super baby smooth all over. No nicks, no cuts. A great shave. I'm sure you can do the same. The vertical lines on the handle make it very easy to grip. All in all, a comfortable razor and beautiful to look at. It's really a handsome, nice contrast with that gold and gunmetal. And the Bic blade went through just as well as a feather. I mean, my previous shave was with the open comb slant bar. I did 2 passes. This was 2.5 passes. The Bic mowed right through. Excellent. Made in Greece. Good job. Yasu. If you want to pick up one of these razors, or the Margaritas in the Attic shaving cream, or the Shave Nation Patriot brush, the ceramic bowl, any of these, the blades, aftershave, anything, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button down there, and then ring the bell. Down there, ring that bell. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox, and you won't miss any. And also, send this video to your pals. Check out some of my other 440 plus shaving videos. You can learn everything there is to know about shaving. And if I haven't covered it yet, drop a question down below what you want to see, and I'll be happy to take care of it. I read all the comments, so I will see it, and I'll be happy to cover your topic. So just down below, drop it there, and I'll check it out. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.